Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to generate an ElevenLabs API key. So actually guys, first you will need to go with elevenlabs.io and then you will need to log in to your ElevenLabs account, of course. Then just click your profile icon afterward that located on the top right corner, and then just go with settings, first option, and right here you will need to look for an option. It says API keys, sometimes labeled like developer or API. So if you can't find it on the settings, you will need to go with the left hand menu and just click on developers. And just right here, you will need to go with API keys tab. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need to go with create key. And here, it's optional, but you can give the key a name like website, app, okay, or Discord, bots, personal script, etc. And then just go with create key, or click create, then create key, okay, and then just copy and save the key immediately, so you may not be able to see it again. So just go ahead with copy to clipboard, right? So everyone, never share your API key publicly, and do not post it in YouTube comments or a public GitHub repos, and store it in a password manager or .env file. If leaked, revoke it immediately and create a new one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.